Now I'm going to take this dictionary and I'm going to export it out and create a new app based on what I just did. Now, one of the bugs that or one of the issues that I was dealing with last night is that when you change the style sheet, it doesn't update in the app properly. I'm actually going to just create a new app, and we're going to import this project into the new app fresh. First of all, I need to check, do I have any filters enabled? No. You can always hit the no filter button here to clear them. Do I have it sorted roughly as I want? Yes. I'm going to send out a message afterwards about sorting, and we can deal with that. Does it look the way I want, roughly? Yes. We're good. And so I'm going to go to export, and I'm going to choose classified or configured dictionary again, XHTML, and I'm going to export. And I can save over the one that I exported before. That's fine. So exporting, save. Yes. That's half of it. The other part, I don't know if all of you have a reversal in your dictionary yet, but if you have filled in the reversal entries field in the lexicon, then when you go to reversal indexes, you will see a reversal available, and that reversal can be configured in the same way. Tools configure reversal index in the same way that we just configured the dictionary, by turning on and off fields, adding punctuation, whatever. Usually the reversal is pretty simple and you can kind of go with the defaults. But that can be configured. Again, that is tools configure reversal index. If there's nothing in there, it's not going to do you much good right now. But since I have a reversal in this dictionary, I'm going to go to export, and I'm going to go all the way down to reversal index, XHTML again. So we're choosing the same format of XHTML, but we're exporting only the reversal index. So export. I have to name this something different, so I'm going to name it Resembly Rev. So save. Okay. So now we see in my folder, I have some CSS files here. CSS is they're cascading style sheets. They are information about the formatting of your dictionary. And I have my main dictionary and my reversal dictionary. So now we can go to Dictionary App Builder, and we can create a new app. So the reason that I'm creating a new app and not just updating the one that was there is that, as I said before, at this point, it will update your dictionary properly if you put in a new file, but it doesn't update the styles, and most of what we just changed were the styles. So I'm going to hit New App, and I'm going to go browse for that Resembly XHTML. I'm looking for the actual dictionary one first. And then once I've found it, I'm going to click Open. And so that's there. So you have picked a font in Flex that you have on your computer. You need to now you're choosing fonts in this app builder that are small and light and that you're going to use on your app. So that may and is often different than the one you were using on your computer. So that's why you're being asked to redefine your fonts. It'll keep the same size, it'll keep the same bold, it'll keep the same color, all of those things. Yep. So I have now I've now chosen my lexicon. I'm going to click Next. It's going to give me my little summary again. Next. Now it's asking if you have any reversal indexes, add them here. Now, you can have multiple reversal indexes, And if you have a French reversal and an English reversal, you would want to actually export out both of those before doing this. But I'm going to go to Add Reversal Index File. And I'm going to choose my reversal. Okay, next. And this is going to be, I'm going to give it a name. Resembly Rev Dictionary, just so that I can distinguish it from the other one. Next. I need to create a name. org.sil.cameroon. Oops. I'm going to give it Resembly 2 because I'm making another one. Next. Grandroid. Next. Font. Indica. Africa. Those are okay. And next, choose another color. I'm going to go with shamrock, no, dark olive green this time. We'll go with that. For those of you that have been having antivirus issues, disable your antivirus right now before moving on. And I'm going to choose a hat. I'm going to choose a drum. Next. I don't have to create a new key store because I already have a key store, but I do need to go find it. So I'm going to hit the Browse button. I'm going to select my DAB key store, put in my password, put in my password again. Next. In my description. Next. And it is ready to build. So I'm going to go ahead and build that while I check and see if everybody's caught up. Oh, I have to go to the About page and I have to add something in the About page. Build Android app. Yeah, the big advantage with those, with doing all those things in colors, with changing the languages in colors, is you don't have to explain, you don't have to use words in a language to explain something. So you don't have to use the English word, English abbreviation for example, which may not mean something in their language. You don't have to use the English word for English. You don't have to, all those things. You can sort of get around those by using the colors. As long as you choose colors that are readable, legible. You probably don't want to use yellow as a color on white background.